As always, 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. I've already marked the halfway point on these. So I'm going to go ahead and it is already flipped inside out. I'm going to go ahead and finish flipping the shirt. And if you need to see a more detailed how-to on flipping the shirt inside out for this part, or a why on this process, I have a link in the description that explains all that. Okay, so go ahead and draw a heart on this. This is an extra large, so I've got some extra width on this shirt, and it's going to make this fairly large. Might take more than one attempt to draw it out. Okay, that's pretty good. We'll go with that. Alright, all you need to do is do an accordion fold following this line, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, let's go ahead and use sinew on this, just because it needs to be a little bit tighter than what rubber bands are going to be able to provide. And we'll just ignore my dog out there. I'm not pulling this super tight. But it is fairly tight. I'll cut this off. Alright, I'll touch this up. Alright, could probably be touched up a little better right in there. I'm going to go ahead and carry on as it is. I'm going to mark this out 6 inches. Oh, let's see. I'm going to mark it at 2 inches here. We'll just count that as that amount. Draw some lines and I'll see how it looks. If I think this will work or if I need to add more. I think that'll work. So let's go ahead and draw in my angles. Some more rubber bands just to hold that in place. Okay, for the rest of this, I think I'm going to go ahead and try and straighten it up as much as possible. Now I did add extra accordions like this is in between one because there was enough height to add one. Go ahead and do this real quick and then we'll put some lines in. Alright, on this side I'm going to go ahead and go 3 inches. And this would actually go down to about here. I'll do it like that. We'll just leave that a solid color. Good. Move these to the halfway points. Alright, that's what we have finished. Off to dye. Alright, for this I will be using fire red, deep orange, lemon yellow, new emerald green, turquoise, grape, baby pink, hot pink, and probably amethyst. And these are all from Dharma. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. I'll let this melt through, and then we'll go from there. Alright, it's been about 24 hours. Let's do this washout. Alright, let's take a look at this. So I'll throw this in the washing machine, we'll take a final look. Alright, here's the finished results. And the back side. So I don't have much to say about this. It turned out about like I was expecting. Well, pretty much. I was expecting the pattern to be slightly different on the rainbow part and the heart. The outside turned out like I was expecting. This, I think I need to do a different pattern for the dye the next time to see how it works. But I do like the colors on the edge and like how it turned out. Oh, and I'm sure the question's coming to somebody's mind, what did I do for the other side? I didn't do anything. I actually just added some soda ash and then put another layer of ice on top and just let it soak through a second time. There was nothing different done for the second side or any kind of immersion or anything like that. Just really simple. So what do you think about this one? Let me know in the comments below, and until next time, thanks for watching.